How to find square root of 1225 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is first pair, this is second pair. Okay, consider this pair, second pair. You have to consider here a number whose square will be equal to 12 or nearest to 12. If you place here 4, then 4 square equal to 16, which is greater than 12. So you have to place here less 3 square equal to 9. Same digit will come to the quotient side. 3 times 3 9. If you subtract, then you are getting 3. Bring down the next pair. Okay, 325. You have placed here the digit 3, so same digit will come under this divisor, and you need to add 3 plus 3 6. Now you have to guess a number, and you need to multiply this number by this. Okay, so 6, and your guessing number time your guessing digit times the digit itself. So what will happen? Look, if you place here, look, 5, if you place here 5, then what will happen? Check. 5 times 5 25. Write 5, carry to the next column. 6 times 5 30 plus 2 32, 325. That is, if you place here 5 times 65, that gives you 325, which is equal. So our guessing number 5 is correct. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Our answer is 35. To check the answer, look, we have placed here 5. The same digit will come under the divisor, and you need to add 70. Look, the double of this quotient is 70. So our answer 35 is correct. So the square root of 1225 by long division method is 35.